On today's menu, how to make perfect, fluffy, delicious rice on the stovetop. I grew up on rice, so I absolutely love it. Now, if you have a rice cooker, that would be ideal. If you don't, you still can make it on the stovetop. 1 cup rice, cold water, wash and drain. Repeat 2 to 3 times. I like my rice a little bit firmer, so I do 1 cup rice, 1 cup water. Bring the water up to a boil, but keep an eye on it, because right when it hits the boil, turn your heat way down to just above low. Give your rice a stir and cover it with a lid. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Take the rice off the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. And you have this amazing fluffy rice. You'll know you did this correctly because you'll have nothing sticking to the bottom of the pan. There's nothing better than having amazing cooked rice and a clean pan.